Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is swatches of the brand new Morphe 35O2 Second Nature palette. I'm so excited I got this palette. I know I said on Snapchat or Instagram stories that I wanted to get a tutorial up for you guys today, but I have the worst headache. I've had it all day. There's just no way I could sit in front of all my lighting and film a tutorial, so look out for one tutorial. I don't know why I said one. Look out for a tutorial coming Sunday. But so this is just an overview of the palette and what it looks like and the packaging and all that stuff. So if you're ready, then let's jump into the swatches. This is how I'm gonna swatch, or the order I'm gonna swatch in. I'm going from left to right and I'm going across the palette row by row. And this is just how I'm going to swatch the shadows, just so you guys know what I'm doing. And yeah, so let's jump into the swatches. Enjoy. Alright guys, so this is the end of the line. These are the swatches. I think for the most part they swatched pretty well. There were a couple I think could have been better or made better or whatever the case was. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!